What up, y'all? It's your boy BCD in the house, and you are now rocking to another episode of Good Life Cooking. What we got for you guys today is something super simple. I just like to take some leftover rice, throw it on a skillet or a pan, saute it up with some kimchi and some mushrooms, and you just have like the perfect kimchi fried rice. And it doesn't have to be all fancy. It could just be like a little sprinkle here, a little bit of dash there, some green onions there, and boom! It's bomb. The key ingredients are gonna be mushrooms to give it some savoriness. You have leftover rice, white rice, jasmine rice, any kind of rice that you guys want. I'm using jasmine rice in this case because I just like the flavor of jasmine rice. You're gonna need some spicy Korean paste. You're gonna need some sesame seed oil. You're also going to need a little bit of soy sauce, of course some kimchi to fry it up real nice, green onions, and some sesame seeds to top off. This meal is so perfect because if you're looking for a quick lunch to make and you just happen to have some rice in the fridge, throw that shit on a pan, stir it up real nice, and boom, you got yourself a meal in like 15 minutes, 20 minutes tops. I should actually time myself one of these days. That might be a good challenge. I'll give it a try. On some other news, I've been extremely busy with moving to LA, Los Angeles, because why the fuck not, right? You gotta step out of your bubble so you can start creating content in different ways, start shooting in different places. It just makes a lot of sense to keep things refreshed. I love LA for the creativity, the diversity, the weather, just the overall vegan vibes that are out here. So hopefully I'll be doing a lot more content in my kitchen as well as going out in the town and shooting some bomb ass vegan food. I did know that when I moved, the hardest part was packing up all my kitchen gear. I swear it was like 10 boxes of just shit I had. In San Francisco, I had a lot more cabinets to just throw shit in. But it's cool because I got to like simplify things. I got to dumb it down. I got to learn how to put my spices in other places that I didn't think was possible, but it works. Before we get into the food, I might as well just show you guys a little bit more about my kitchen. Here is a B-roll sequence for that. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Let's jump into the food now, and I'll show you how to make some kimchi fried rice really quick. Let's go. We're just gonna use some cremini mushrooms. I feel like that's readily available to everyone, so like, I hate these fucking small cloves, but probably just a couple of cloves of garlic. We're gonna add some nice green onions. So first up, let's coat the pan with a tablespoon of oil, and we're gonna start frying up the rice. Once the rice is a little bit crispy on the outside, what we're gonna do is set that aside. And now let's go back into the pan with those onions and garlic. Then we're gonna go ahead and add in the mushrooms that we've sliced up and give that a quick toss for about 2 to 3 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and add in the kimchi as well as our rice that we've crisped up. I'm gonna add in a couple of teaspoons of sesame oil. I'm also gonna add in a dash of soy sauce just for a little bit of color. And then of course, some of that Korean spicy kimchi paste that I've actually diluted with a little bit of water beforehand just so it spreads evenly throughout the entire fried rice. Lastly, let's go ahead and sprinkle with some green onions. Top it off with some toasted sesame seeds, and bam, you are done. Meal's ready, 20 minutes guys, you're golden. You're gonna absolutely love how this one tastes. So there you guys have it, the kimchi fried rice. Just the smells, the vibrantness of it, the spiciness from the Korean chili paste, the tanginess from the kimchi that comes out. Oh my God, it's just everything that you want in a lunch, and it's so quick, easy to make at home, guys. Give it a try. Promise you, won't let you down. Recipe is down below. If you found this video helpful, definitely subscribe for future content. Give it a like, thumbs up, whatever you gotta do, but live that vegan life. This is BCD, Good Life Cooking. I'm out. Peace. Some Korean spicy paste. I don't even know how to say it, but it doesn't have to be all fancy. It could just be like a little sprinkle here, a little bit of dash there, some green onions there, and boom, it's bomb.